Vintage Outboard Boudreaux fans. This is Dave from Toledo, Ohio. Taking out on his first test run, 1968 9.5 Evinrude Restore number 155 from T-Mike in his 1971 12-foot MIR aluminum boat. She's cruising along just fine and enjoying a beautiful, beautiful sunny day out here on Toledo Bend Lake. Let's kick her up a notch and see how she goes. And we're off. Here we go. Look at her go. Listen to the sound. The power of the 9.5. I ask you all, does it get any better than this? T-Mike, I thank you so much for this. It brings back so many memories. 1968, when I first had a chance to run it, when it was my grandfather's in Canada, on a flat bottom, all wooden boat. Can't say enough. Outboard Vintage Motorboat fans, she's running like a top. Thanks again, T-Mike. Dave from Toledo Bend Lake, signing off. Dave, load your shit and get out of here. Hello again, Vintage Outboard Boatboat fans. This is Toledo Dave coming from beautiful Toledo Bend Lake and Cypress Bend boat launch. Just wanted to do a sequel to let you know on this 1968 9.5 Evinrude motor, T-Mike's number 155. She ran like a champ. She ran 6 gallons of fuel. She trolled. She first started. Remember, you've got to always crank, not pull. Everything went fine. I just wanted to let you know that always remember, at T-Mike's, we're always doing it one motor at a time. To T-Mike, thank you so, so much. It brings back so many memories. My very first motor, my very first boat, one motor at a time, making memories for a lifetime. This is Toledo Dave, signing off.